Hi guys, my name is Annie. I hope you all have a great day so far. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm doing DIY sewing. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to see new video every third day. In video today, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to transform an old dress into a beautiful crop top. This process is really quick and easy to make, but the results surprise me. It's still simple but more dynamic, youthful and elegant. You will love it like me. I'm sure about that. Okay, let's get started. This original dress is a cartoonish dress. I love the neck part, so I'm gonna keep it. I just turned the length of dress into crop top and shortened the length of the sleeves. From the shoulder, go down 45 cm. I will down more 5 cm to hem the bottom because I want to make a big hem. The button on fabric helped me a lot because I just cut along the stripe on it. I'm not afraid it's not straight. Moving on to the sleeves, just doing the same. I'm going to determine the length of the sleeves and add more 5 cm. After that, I'm gonna overlock the edge of fabric at the bottom of crop top and the sleeve. And then fold fabric to the wrong side and stitch in by my sewing machine. Okay, the bottom are done. Now I'll make some details on the front side by adding 4 fixed pockets like this. I already tried to make 2 pockets on the left side first. To making this fake pocket, I'm going to use the top part of the original pocket and the hem of the original sleeves to save the time, but still nice. Now, I'm gonna unthread the pocket first. I just used a top of this part, so I'm going to cut them out and then cut 14 cm for the lower fake pocket. for the upper pocket, it's smaller than the lower pocket. It's just 8 centimeters. Okay, next, I'm gonna fold fabric to the wrong side like this and press it. So now, I'm going to pin them into the position that I marked before and stitching around, except the top of it. Here's my crop top, but it's look monotonous and boring. So I'm going to add some button on the first pocket. I picked up the silver button to matching with the color of this fabric. Then stitching them on by my hand to finish. And here's the final result. I love it. I think it's better than the original dress. I paired it with a black long jean. This combination outfit have me taller even though I'm wearing a flat. Oh, actually love it. I love it. How do you like this dress formation project? And see you next Thursday. Bye!